Today, we're going to be exploring clay. It's important before we begin to establish some rules of clay. Number 1, clay can be very messy. So, let's keep the clay on the table. Clay is really hard to get out of the floor, our clothes, and our shoes. Rule number 2, we only touch our own clay. It's really important to respect everyone's art materials. Rule number 3, if you accidentally drop some clay, let your teacher know and they can help you clean it up. And rule number 4, when it's time to tidy up the clay, let's have all our clay ready for our teacher to tidy. Now that we have some rules in place, we can begin. Take the clay in your hands. How does it feel? Does it feel like anything else we use in school? Remember some of your texture words. Is it hard or soft? Is it rough or smooth? Is it dry or sticky? Is it hot or cold? Press your thumb into the clay. Does the clay keep its shape? Tear your clay in two. Take a look at the edges. Do you see all the little hairs? Roll the clay into a ball using your hands. Or you can roll it on the table to make a wriggly worm. Try pinching your clay. What do you notice? Try pressing an object into your clay. And take it back out again. What do you notice about the mark left behind? Ready for some magic? Dip your fingers in water and put it on the clay. What happens? You can use this to smooth out the clay or to stick two pieces of clay together. You can make lots of different things with clay. You can make something flat, called a slab, or you can make something 3D, like a pot. Give it a go yourself and see what little designs and sculptures you can make. When you're finished with the clay, it's important to put it into a bag. Clay is air drying. That means if we leave it out in the air, it's going to go hard. And we don't want that, especially when we're not finished with it. So, when you're done, put it into a plastic bag and seal it tight. Now it's your turn. Try and see what amazing little designs you can come up with.